So now we're getting to a bit of a fiddly bit around his tail. So just take your time and don't worry. You just want to come up again. We've got one of those corners that's going to go around his tail. So I'm coming up more or less where the last stitch came up through the backing fabric. And we're just going to take that down with a smaller stitch. As we go around here, you perhaps use slightly smaller stitches, but it's just an angle to that last stitch. You just want one round the bottom edge. Again, just smaller, slightly smaller than your other stitches to allow for that small tail. And then coming up the other side, and you're almost going back down into the previous stitch. And then we're coming up to that corner again. And then as we turn it round, we're just going to come up again, right more or less up in the previous stitch. And we're going to go back down at an angle again that's parallel with the edge of the butterfly. And then you just carry on again around the wing as you did before. Just taking your time just to relax and enjoy the stitching. As you work, you might find it easier to just keep turning the piece of work as you go, just to keep that angle.